Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. All right, stretch. Okay. I was so close. I've totally forgot all the different steps I need to do to publish these web components into this account, and so I'm almost done. I cleaned up the code. Everything is working. I just need to publish it. I changed the version numbers. I did a minor update, and I just need to publish it. I pushed it to the repo. That's good to go. I just need to push it to publish it, and so that's public. And then I can use it in the web app. So that's maybe like 10 minutes work, I think. So almost there. All right. Cool. So I mentioned this earlier in the other cipher when we went over the Interop 2024 with all the things that, like, it was like an update of what they got so far. And one of them was this thing. I've seen it before, but I guess now it's like available across like major browsers, like the latest versions. And so hold on, I'm gonna copy a link to it. I'm gonna place it, copy all of it, please. And I'm going to add it so it'll be next to the recording of this video on the website. But I wanted to take a look. I haven't gotten a chance to play with it yet, but I think it'd be cool because I do stuff with web components, and I was doing something tangentially like related, sort of. So let me just show what I'm talking about. This one here, cool. So from web.dev, blog posts by Una Kravitz. And so this is the @ property. And you see it mentions CSS variables or custom properties. And I use those for like web components sometimes. You know what I'm saying? It's either that or parts. And so with this, you can do some pretty cool stuff within like web components. And now they have this next generation CSS variables. And so now with universal browser support, which means I haven't used this yet, but technically you should be able to use it with web components, I think. I don't know. We'll see. So figure take a look at this real quick. And yeah, again, shout out to Una Kravitz. So get ready for a CSS power-up. The @ property rule, part of the CSS Houdini umbrella of APIs, is now fully supported across all modern browsers. You can see right here. And look like, yeah, it's been in Chrome for a minute because Chrome is on 120 something, I believe, right now. So that means the same as Edge. And so, yeah, so look like it's been a minute. So yeah, this game-changing feature unlocks new levels of control and flexibility for CSS custom properties, also known as CSS variables, making your style sheet smarter and more dynamic. That's kind of amazing. Like CSS at some point is going to be like a programming language. I heard they might put in like an if statement thing. That's me. And you can do like calc. There's calc. Then there's like you could do. I saw what was it, trigonomic functions and things. It's kind of amazing. So pretty dope. All right. So celebration. This web feature is now available in all 3 major browser engines and becomes baseline newly available as of July 9th, which is like a few weeks back, almost 20 days ago, 2024. Dope. All right, so now the benefits of @ property. Semantic meaning. Using @ property to define a type, like syntax, of your custom properties. This tells the browser what kind of data your custom property holds, for example, color. And so this is what they said in the interop. I'm interested. I'm pretty sure you can do other stuff besides colors, links, and numbers. We'll see. Maybe like if it was like emoji. It's like, I wonder if you put like emoji in it. I don't know. We'll see. preventing unexpected results and supporting new possibilities like animating gradients. Dope. We'll see. Hopefully they have an example of that. That'd be kind of cool to see. Fallback values. No more disappearing styles. Use at property to set an initial value. Okay, because they're saying like if it inherits something. So owner, oh no, there was an initial value also. So like inherits and an initial along with the type, I think it was, from if I remember from the last blog post. For a custom property, if an invalid value is assigned later, the browser gracefully uses your defined fallback. Okay. See, it's almost like programming, like a programming language. It's amazing. Improved error handling. So almost again like a program. Enhanced type safety. Yeah, I was saying like it reminds me of like TypeScript. Like if you're defining the types of your CSS variables, it's kind of like TypeScript. And the ability to set fallbacks open up new opportunities for testing and validation directly within your CSS. Amazing. All right, so create advanced custom properties. Here we go. So to create a standard custom property, set a property name prepended by a double hyphen, and give the property a value. So yeah, so like hyphen my color hot pink. Yes. The value of these custom properties is parsed as a string by the browser. The following example shows how a default string-based custom property is initialized. All right, so now to gain the benefits of these advanced custom properties, including semantics beyond a string, register your CSS custom property with @property. So, all right, so, okay, so instead of just doing it here, you're actually setting it up. So you got the @property and you're defining it here. And then again, so yeah, syntax, inherits, and initial value. All right. Okay. I wonder if, my thing is the syntax. Can that be anything? I don't know. Hopefully we'll see in the future here in the rest of the blog post. Excuse me. The custom property initialized with @property provides much more detail than just a name and value. It includes a syntax type and sets inheritance to true or false, and also an initial value. Oh, yeah, you already set like a value before. Yeah, so this basically now becomes your initial value. This, you're setting it up, and like they said, you get these two new things. All right, dope. The benefit of this approach is that with the standard property, you expect the property to contain a color as a value, and are going to use that color elsewhere in the style sheet. If someone were to update the property to have a number as a value, okay, any use of the property elsewhere would fail. Using @property, there is a fallback color defined, which is that initial value, and along with a syntax that declares the property must hold a color value. So maybe it does only understand those things. I don't know. Should a non-color value be used, the fallback would be used instead, so the hot pink. Okay, so note, you can set up custom properties with syntax, inheritance, and initial value in JavaScript. Okay, so using a CSS registered property. Okay. But then you can use JavaScript to manipulate custom properties with the values like this. Okay, so I guess you would pass in a object maybe. All right. Oh, apparently this doesn't is not on CodePen anymore. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Well, there's the demo. Twinkling gradient background. One of the neat application properties is a smooth animation of properties that were previously impossible to transition, like gradients, which are perceived as images by the browser. Did not know that. Okay. However, if you give variables syntactic meaning via property, these can be used in a gradient statement. Oh, okay. Now you are describing an animation between two declared values within the gradient, enabling animation. Take the following example: a card with a subtle background animation that consists of two radial gradients shifting color on different timelines. So, that'd been super dope to see. It'd be nice if they had like a video also. That would have been cool, but it's not here. That's sad. I really wanted to check that out. All right, this can, okay, well, at least they set you up with the code here. So this can be achieved by setting up your custom property values as colors. Here, okay. Then you can access them. I wonder if I can do this just in a code pen real quick. Let me see. Let me check my code pen. Let me create a pen. Okay, so here's the CSS, right? So let me copy this. If this works, that would be wild. Okay, copy that. Cool. Well, let me change this layout. Here we go. All right. So then it's saying then you access them to create the initial gradient background. So you have the shine 2, shine 1. Radial gradient. I've not done a radial gradient in a minute. So farthest side, circle. Is that how you, wow. I've never seen this. Okay. Never really done anything with radial gradients. Oh, that's pretty dope. All right. So, okay, here we go. Add this also to the CSS. All right. Let's see. Additionally, you can then update the values. Okay, using keyframes. That makes sense. That's pretty cool. So shine 1 is going to go to orange. Shine 2 is going to go to pink. Oh, that's pretty dope. All right, hold on. I hope they have the. I wonder if it's just like a card. We'll see. Hopefully they have the HTML that needs to go along with it. And then animate each. So let me copy this. Okay, they don't give me the HTML. So let me see if I can try and guess that. So I'm hoping it's just. Did they give anything? No, see, they don't give a size or anything to the card, it looks like. So if I just have what? A div and give it the class of card? Yeah, let's see. All right, look at the HTML. Okay, there's no JavaScript. Let's see. I'm not showing it yet because I don't even know if it's going to work. Div, class, card. No, not that one. Close div. I am not good at typing. Oh, that's pretty dope. Okay. It didn't do any. Okay, I have to give it a width and a height or something. Width 500 px, height. Let's go with 500 px. Okay, I can't really tell if it's. Oh, okay. I'm gonna share this. I'm hoping this is what it's supposed to look like. So here it is. I can't really tell if it's. I think so. Is the gradient animating? Or it could just be my eyes messing with me. You know what? I think I could check. Hold on. I should be able to check. There should be an animation. Let me see here. Let's see. I know there's like an animation. Animations. Probably can't see this because I'm not sharing the full thing. Let me refresh. Maybe. How do I? Oh, I think I have to like restart it or something. Let me see. Let's make it this 400 and 400. Okay, so because there are animations that come up. But these are about labels. Some opacity stuff. Is it changing? I might have to look back at this. But that's pretty cool, though. Well, I wonder if there's a way to speed it up. Maybe that's what I can do. Hold on. Under animation, there's a keyframe. So it's supposed to go, because originally the colors are wheat and lavender, right? So I guess that's like the lavender. Wheat, I guess, is this here. And then this radial gradient, but the animation, there's got, 8 seconds. Let's see if I can make that, I don't know, because we'll go back and forth. Let's try 2 seconds. Let's go wild. Let's see if it's actually doing it. Is it doing anything? Okay, I kind of see this. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or. Oh wait, okay, that's that one. Let me do this other one here. Let's make that's at 1 second. Let's make them both 1 second. I don't know if that did anything. Okay, this side looked like maybe it's growing with the lavender, maybe. Let me see. I'm trying to see if the screen share looks any different. Because on my screen, I can't really see the colors. I don't know. But it's a cool gradient, though. All right. Yeah, what's going on, Lawrence? Yeah, so this is it's in CSS. This is new joint, the at property. Share this tab. So it's kind of going over this here. And so, because you could do CSS variables like this before, but now, since CSS is basically becoming a programming language, you can do like TypeScript now with your CSS. So you can do the syntax of like what it actually, you can type your CSS. So you say like, this is a color. And so you do an initial value. If you were to put in a number for your CSS variable, like if you renamed it something else and it was like a number, it would fail because it's not a color and it would fall back to this. So they had this twinkling gradient background, but the code pen isn't working. It's not there. I'm not sure what happened. So I kind of basically just like copied this into my own code pen, and this is what I got. But I can't tell if it's animating. I don't know if I'm colorblind or what, but I don't know. But it's still a pretty cool thing. So you should be able to technically, so if it's hot pink and orange, so this thing originally, the colors are lavender and wheat. And they're supposed to be turning from lavender, I think, to orange. So I think lavender is supposed to be going to orange. And then the wheat is supposed to be going to hot pink, which I'm not even sure. And I played around with these values here, so I don't even know if that's doing anything. Oh, wait, unchanged save. Okay, hold on. Let me save. All right, whoop, crap. I saved it. Still don't really see anything changing. And they called it twinkling gradient background. Let me put it back to what it was. So it was 8 seconds and 1 second. So, and there's no JavaScript in this. So let me put this back to 8 seconds. Save it. Anything? Is it twinkling? Maybe my old eyes. I don't see it animating. But then this animate color, I wonder if that's even working. Because yeah, this is a different color from that. I don't know. But technically, so if you wanted to make this, I don't know, black or something. Let's see a drastic color. Save it. Yeah, I don't think it's animating. Is it? No. Am I getting any errors in here or something? Let me see. Okay, I'm over. Let me just see something real quick. Inspect. Am I getting any console errors to this? Nope, nothing. Weird. I don't know, but that's something I guess folks can play around with, but it's not changing colors. But technically, if I were to change this lavender then to green, See, then it changes. So that's a little bit more pronounced. I don't see it. And then is this middle part wheat? I don't even know what wheat color is like. Hold on. Wheat, let's go with blue. Save that. Okay. So, oh, wait, no, my bad. That's the card background. Oh, okay. That's the card background. Then light pink is the shine too. Okay. I totally missed that there was three of them. I thought it was just shine one and shine two. It doesn't look like it's changing, right? I don't see it. Well, wait. No, I changed it to blue. I don't see any black or red coming up. That's what these are supposed to go into, the keyframes. I don't know. I'll probably have to mess around with it some more. But yeah, I can't tell. But I don't know. Now I don't see any black or red. That's what I changed these to. So I'm assuming it's not working. I don't know. That's probably something I have to kind of mess with. But all right. So how's everything on your end? Hopefully you're doing well. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to send y'all back to work because, like I said, I have to get these web components published so I can test this web app. Yeah, cool. So I wish you all much productivity and whatever that y'all working on. Thanks, Lauren, for coming through. Appreciate you. And a link to the article will be next to the recording of the video on the website, so you can check it out for yourself. But it's pretty dope from what I can see. And didn't get the animation to work, but it's probably something on my end. And maybe that's why the code pen wasn't there anymore. Maybe something broke. I don't know. But we'll move forward. Oh, dope. Yeah. How far is Houston from Memphis? Just curious. Are you flying there? Can you drive there? How's that? And you're currently working on a video. Nice. There's probably like a delay, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. While I do that, let me get the outro music. Yes, this one here. But that's dope. You know what I'm saying? Good luck with the talk. That's dope. Fine. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll look up to see how far Houston is from Memphis. You're in Memphis. Yeah, you're in Memphis. Why do I want to think Mississippi? I think you're from Mississippi, but live in Memphis. The Mound, Orange Mound. I know some people in Memphis. All right. Cool. Someone get y'all out of here. Again, thanks for hanging out. See you back 15 minutes after the hour. We'll take a look at an artist's website, listen to some music. Maybe you'll become a fan. And then, yeah. Oh, okay. So, damn, Mississippi and Memphis is that close? Huh. Okay. I haven't been to Memphis in a minute. I was in Nashville. But, all right, cool. So, yeah, I wish you much productivity on what it is that you're working on, fam. And thanks for hanging out. All right, so I'm going to send you all off. This is New Jabez featuring Apani B. The track is called Thank You. Thank y'all again for hanging out. Y'all be easy. And see you 15 minutes after the hour. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna